The Samyukt Kisan Morcha held a very crucial meeting today at the Singhu border, and farmer organizations from across the country, including from states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, had come here. And the meeting was to decide on the future course of action as to how this entire agitation is going to pan in the coming days, because there were expectations that the protest might get over after the parliament repeals the 3 farm laws. But that is not going to happen. In fact, I'm joined by the people who were part of the meeting held at Singhu border, and one of the farm leaders who headed this meeting is joining us at on India Today, Mr. Rajbir Singh Jadon from the BKU Tikayat Group. Sir, मीटिंग के अंदर क्या बातचीत हुई, किस तरह की रणनीति तय हुई? क्योंकि सवाल मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूं क्योंकि सरकार से लगातार आप लोग कह रहे हैं कि एमएसपी पे वो अश्योरेंस दे, लेकिन जो संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा है और किसान संगठन है, क्या उन्होंने उनके अंदर एक समन्वय बन पाया है रणनीति को लेकर?
हमेशा समन्वय था, है और रहेगा। समन्वय में कोई कमी नहीं थी। कहीं कतिपय किसी मीडिया के द्वारा, किसी सरकार के तंत्र के द्वारा जो फैलाया जा रहा था, वो आज सारा साफ हो गया। हमारा पूरा संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा, सारी जत्थेबंदियां एकजुट हैं, पूरी मजबूती के साथ खड़ी हैं, और आज ये फैसला लिया गया है कि सरकार के द्वारा एक नई घोषणा हमारे 29 तारीख के संसद मार्च के बीच में आई है कि 3 कानून वापस लेंगे। इस पर हमारे मोर्चे ने भी थोड़ा सा नरम रुख अपनाते हुए 4 तारीख तक इसको पोस्टपोन किया है। 4 तारीख में हम लोग बैठेंगे और सरकार के जो कदम संसद में जाकर के होंगे, सरकार जो टीवी पे आके घोषणा कर रही है, जो और दूसरे फ्रंटों पे जाकर के कर रही है, वो नहीं स्वीकार है। सरकार को अगर कोई बातचीत करना है तो संयुक्त किसान मोर्चे से टेबल पे बैठ के बातचीत करे, और अगर कोई काम करना है तो सदन चलने वाला है, सदन में जाके काम करे। वहां 3 कानून वापस ले, एमएसपी पे कानून बनाने की सैद्धांतिक रूप से वहां पर घोषणा करें कि हम एमएसपी कानून बनाने के लिए सैद्धांतिक रूप से तैयार हैं। इसके बाद अगर कोई कमेटी की घोषणा सदन में करते हैं तब हम लोग उस पर विचार करेंगे। टीवी पे वाली समिति पर हम विचार बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे।
जवाब है आपका। आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू, while this meeting was going on, before the meeting, the Union Agriculture Minister said that there is no point of protesting, continuing this protest, because the 3 farm laws are to be repealed in the parliament, and the other issues, like for instance the cases which has been registered against the farmers, that is a state subject. States need to act. Compensation, again, the states have to offer it. And as far as electricity draft bill is concerned, the government has already put forward stand. So after all these clarifications from the Union Agriculture Minister, what are the pending issues?
First of all, we want very clear-cut direction from the Home Ministry to the state governments. Withdraw all cases related to farm agitation. That is what we demand. Second thing is, we are waiting the proceedings of Parliament. Let Prime Minister speak in the Parliament. That will decide the whole course of things. And we are eagerly waiting their speech in the Parliament. That's why. That's what we want. They assure the nations that we will bring a committee on MSP. Let them speak in the Parliament and guarantee the whole nation. Then we will take it positively and proceed further.
So, written word is the bottom line here. There were talks, as Mr. Rajbir Singh Jadon also said, that there are organizations in Punjab who are appearing little soft when it comes to MSP, because it's been obviously 14 months of agitation for the farmers of Punjab and Haryana. So they want to go a little soft on MSP. They want to wait and watch as to what is the proposal. For the other organizations, the organizations which are coming, like yours, which also has base in Uttarakhand, what were the points that you put forward in the meeting?
See, first I would like to correct you. Just my colleague, he has declared, we would like to listen our Prime Minister in house, what he's gonna speak. Because many times we heard our Prime Minister with media. But question is not about MSP. MSP is very strong demand from day first. And this is your own analysis. Punjab is going to adopt soft corner.
It's not my analysis, let me correct. Yeah. I've spoken to a score of leaders from different farmer organizations of Punjab, and in obviously they don't want to come on record and put their name forward, but they have said that because it's been 14 months of agitation, we do not want to continue the agitation here. We want to see if there's a deadline to the committee that is committed by the government. Then we'll continue our protest in Punjab, maybe at toll nakas. You know, the mechanism will be there, but we will want to withdraw from the borders of Delhi.
Same I would like to tell you. We are not here for agitation to do agitation. We also want to go back at our home. If Prime Minister would understand our demands and Prime Minister would listen our demands, and we are not demanding something very special. Just we are requesting to our Prime Minister what application or what kind of the recommendation he has given to Dr. Manmohan Singh in 2011 when Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He has given a written and direct recommendation. You must given legal right to the farmers of MSP, because you are saying farmers are getting MSP, but legally and on ground zero farmers are not getting MSP. And you can take the example of UP and Uttarakhand.
We'll just cut across to Mr. Rajbir Singh. सर, आखिरी सवाल यही है आपसे कि क्या किसान संगठनों ने अभी एक रोड मैप बना लिया है एमएसपी को लेके, या उसमें अभी देरी है?
नहीं, रोड मैप वाली बात जो है, एमएसपी पर किसान संगठनों का एकदम सीधा विजन है कि एमएसपी भी हमारी 3 कानून की वापसी जैसा एक मुद्दा था, वो अभी बकाया है।
कितनी बड़ी कमेटी होगी, क्या डेडलाइन होगी, कितने दिनों में वो रिकमेंडेशन दे, ये तमाम मुद्दे क्या क्लियर हो गए?
ये अभी तो पहले सदन में जाए सरकार, और वहां पर सदन में जो घोषणा होगी उसके बाद जो डेवलपमेंट होंगे उस पर हम लोग विचार करेंगे।
पहले सरकार कहे फिर आप लोग अपनी बात।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, पहले सरकार का पक्ष आने देंगे, फिर हम लोग उस पर विचार करेंगे किस तरह की कमेटी होगी और किस क्या उसका रूप हो सकता है, कैसा सब चीज है, हमारे नेता उसमें डिसाइड करेंगे। पहले सरकार सदन में जाए।
ठीक है, आखिरी सवाल ये है आप लोगों से, कोई भी जवाब दे दे। डॉक्टर दर्शन पाल कह रहे हैं कि 25 लाख रुपए कम से कम मुआवजा मिले परिवारों को, जिनके जो किसान मरे हैं उनके परिवारों को 25 लाख रुपए मिले। क्या वो एक कंसेंसस बन रहा है उस पे, या वो अमाउंट अभी डिसाइड नहीं हो पाया?
The principal demand is MSP. Police cases. Other things are minor things. We will not consider it as rigidly. ठीक है? So let wait what Prime Minister speak in the Parliament.
Bottom line here is that, let the government make its stand clear in the Parliament, and then only the leaders of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha will take a firm stand. With video journalist Zia, this is Amit Bhardwaj for India Today from Singhu border.